In this video, I'm gonna show you an example of a decomposition reaction. What decomposition means is basically the opposite of combination. It's where you take something complex and you break it down into some simpler things. So in this case, I'm gonna take my hydrogen peroxide and I'm gonna break it down. Now, the thing is about hydrogen peroxide is it actually is usually breaking down on its own. And so even right now, when I pour it in here, the reaction is occurring. But you don't really notice anything because it's not very strong. Okay? So I'm going to go ahead and add something called a catalyst. A catalyst is an item in a reaction that just speeds up the reaction, but it's actually not even used in the reaction. So I have some manganese dioxide. We'll see how this works. It hasn't been working very well for me lately, so hopefully this will work a little bit better than what it was yesterday. I'm also going to back up a little bit, so you probably won't hear me for a second. Well, it's not as explosive as I'd hope it'd be, but you can definitely see that the hydrogen peroxide is releasing gas, okay? What it's releasing is the hydrogen and, ooh, there it goes. That's much better. Careful. Oh man, I think it just got on my laptop. Okay. So this is just hydrogen and oxygen gas, not very dangerous at all. But it was hydrogen peroxide, which is up on my board here, H2O2, so that's hydrogen peroxide itself. But then I introduced the catalyst, so it starts the reaction a lot faster, and it breaks down to the hydrogen gas and oxygen gas. So that would be a decomposition reaction.